Hello, how to use the subtitle feature to translate your content in a different language using PowerPoint. First, open up a PowerPoint. You can have a blank PowerPoint for your student if your student is translating the information in their laptop via PowerPoint. You're going to go into Slideshow. Then you're going to click on Subtitle Settings. Click on Spoken Language. Pick the language you're speaking. Then subtitle language, in my case, I'm picking Haitian Creole. The microphone, the appropriate microphone, this is mine. Then the location of your subtitles, bottom, top, below, or above. I picked bottom. Then go down to System Caption Preferences, and you're going to pick your choice. You have transparent, classic, large, or outline. I will pick classic. All right, so once everything is settled in, what I need to have, you're going to click in play from start. If you notice at this second, there is no captions. There's no subtitles, but in the bottom, the double CC in red, you're going to click on closed caption. Now, starting now, you will see a translation in Haitian Creole. So for example, if I'm reading, rewrite Lucy's letter to her sister. Use an antonym for each underlined word. That just translated in Haitian Creole. If you want to stop the translation, toggle over the CC again, closed caption, and you will not see a subtitle. Thank you for watching.